Right, I don't know where that GoPro battery died. So, geez, they really don't last long. Tell you, when you switch on, they say you got 3 hours of recording, and then 40 minutes later it's gone. Anyway, so stopped at Sasol garage, corner N14 and Hendrik Potgieter. This is now the start, I guess, of the country. Next stop, Magaliesburg town. So to say battery, I'll probably switch it off at a point. It was just the urban part I wanted to kind of catch. So I'll just do battery. I'll just do GoPro as I'm coming into towns and bits and bobs. $8.49. 8:49 time check. Then about just under 30 k's from Karen's place. Right, off we go. Maybe it's the audio that chews up the. Also got my side stand down earlier without too much hassle. That's a damn good sign, because that's one of the weak points. Check, got everything, my phone and my thingy. There we go. One of the things I forgot was my phone is now sitting at 15% or something. I didn't charge it last night. I've got a couple of big vehicles bearing down on me. Just hold on. Oh, another traffic light. How's that? More exciting. The other one was the last one. Put my visor down, so that might make the sound more muffled. Actually, we're not sure. That's a bit of a test. Push it up again. I've got a 12 and 5 volt outlet wired into the light here. So I need to take my charging cable out from my office box and keep it here in my tank bag. And that'll make it super duper easy just to plug in and charge the phone. Another piece of tech got to figure out. But I'll see. Look, 15% will still last a while. I'd like to do kind of snaps along the way. Easy snaps, not the GoPro stuff. Alright, now vehicle behind me. Got my phone, got my money, got my GoPro, got my car, bike, got my keys are on, I'm rolling. Left lane. My God, can you finally believe, July 2020 was when I said, okay, let's go. Middle of COVID lockdowns, everything getting a bit whatever. So, well, maybe start my trip now. First I thought, well, I'll do it in a bakkie. I did actually think of that, Betty. But that thought lasted about 30 seconds or 3 minutes. And I said, nah, got to do it on a bike. sale, so we sold the other one, the green Mamba. Found this one at a really good deal, and wow, not itemizing all the work that's been done at this point. So, John Denver, Country Road, take Baba, okay. No cringing. I think I'll switch off an engine garage coming up. At that little funny intersection. You saw the sign, Cradle of Humankind. It's the area I'm going into. Right. The last place on the right. I think we can almost officially say we're in the country. Amen. Hallelujah. Revs, 90 k's an hour. All fine. Bike's handling wonderfully. You know, I think the weights actually do little loopy things like this. The weight actually stabilizes it. You know, the weight kind of keeps it quite solid on the ground, but you've got to be rolling. You know, if you're not rolling, the weight works against you. Cars coming up ahead behind me. See if I can find a shoulder, something for them to not area. Not good to take here. Get my speed up a little bit so I don't get too frustrated with me. Right, there's the second lane. Let me let them pass. Need you. I've got this 5 volt, 12 volt, 5 volt outlet. I must just carry my GoPro charger with me in the tank bag, and then I can, like that one dead battery, I could be charging already. Point number 2. haven't quite put my feet up on my crash bars yet in recline pose. Maybe a bit later. There's the intersection coming up I was talking about. Carl, you remember our trips out to Mount Grace? In fact, I'm going past it a bit later. Old institution. Yeah, in Johannesburg. No cars, no cars, no cars, no cars. Here we go. Right, keep on the left bend. Either way actually, straight and then left further ahead, or left here and then right like a square. I'll go this way today. Alright, I'm signing off now.